Introducing the Nexgrill Fortress 2.0 2-burner tabletop propane gas grill, the tough-as-nails portable grill that's ready for any grilling adventure. With a heavy-duty corrosion-resisting cast aluminum lid and firebox, the Fortress 2-burner is a rugged and portable grill built to last. When you're ready to cook, just push and turn the ergonomic knobs and let the built-in ignition do the rest. 2 independently controlled 304-grade stainless steel burners each offer 6,750 BTUs of flame roasting energy for rapid, intense, and controlled heating. This grill's cooking surface is equipped with durable, porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grids built to retain heat exceptionally well and allow for easy cleaning. And 262 square inches of cooking space under a dome lid creates enough room to make sure everyone's a happy camper. Beneath the cooking surface, 304-grade stainless steel angled flame tamers help to distribute heat evenly and protect the main burners from wear and tear while out on the road. Plus, an easy-to-read built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation for a perfect cook every time. Ready to make the world your backyard? We've got your Nexgrill right here. The Nexgrill Fortress 2.0 2-burner tabletop propane gas grill.